It will bug you out, boy. You gotta try it, man.
I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try it.
Hey, why y'all didn't invite me to the party?
Come on, Pop. You know you gotta be 18 and older.
Oh, man.
Besides, it's getting past your bedtime. Did you brush your teeth?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
There we go. All right, I'm out.
All right. Hey. Before you go, won't you read me like a bedtime story, like the good old days?
All right, just one.
That's all I need.
Right. To a good one. There we go. This is the story of Dick and Mary. Mary lies on the bed and spreads her thighs. Dick thrusts his large member into a waiting vagina.
Ooh.
Fuck me! Fuck me! Mary screams. Dick covers her head with a pillow because she's too noisy. Dick continues to pound her swollen opening till he climates. Oh, I'm coming. And he falls asleep.